Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by committing to components and a minimal prototype so you can iterate fast. Pick a controller, Raspberry Pi 4 for onboard AI or Arduino for real-time I/O, and order a microphone, camera, EMU, and distance sensor. Once parts arrive, assemble a breadboarded power rail, batteries, regulator, and a USB-C 5v3A supply. Make sure to label pins and install the OS or bootloader. This gets you a working hardware baseline to build functions upon. You now connect sensing to action. Install a lightweight voice stack and verify wake word detection because natural input is essential. Then wire the motor drivers. Use PWM and H-bridge circuits with encoder feedback, so movement is stable and reversible. Next, set up ROS or Node-RED to fuse camera, EMU, and distance data into a coherent state. This lets you script behaviors like follow, fetch, and navigate. Make sure to iterate software in short loops and log telemetry for deep. You finish by implementing core behaviors and validating safety. Program modular skills, greet on wake, fetch an object, report battery and sensor status so you can compose complex routines. Add hard safety, an emergency stop, current limiting, and physical soft collars around moving parts to prevent harm. Then run incremental tests, unit tests for sensors, integrated runs in a controlled space, and finally real-world scenarios. If a behavior fails, isolate logs, check power rails, and verify encoder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.